Are you an adventurer who loves camping in the great outdoors? Well, we've got you covered with the ultimate camping gear guide for adventurers like you. Whether you're planning a rugged expedition or a weekend getaway, these must-have essentials will elevate your camping experience. So, let's dive right in. First up, a sturdy tent is a must-have for any camper. Look for one that's lightweight, easy to set up, and durable. Next, don't forget a comfortable sleeping bag. Opt for one that's warm, cozy, and designed for the elements. A good night's sleep is crucial for a successful adventure. Now, let's talk about cooking gear. A reliable camping stove will allow you to whip up delicious meals in the wilderness. Look for one that's compact, easy to use, and has great fuel efficiency. And of course, don't forget your trusty cooking utensils, including a set of pots, pans, and a versatile camping knife. When it comes to clothing, think layers. Make sure to pack breathable, moisture-wicking base layers, warm insulating layers, and a waterproof outer layer. This will keep you comfortable, no matter the weather conditions. Additionally, a good pair of hiking boots is essential for any adventure. Look for ones that offer great traction and ankle support. Now let's talk about safety. A reliable headlamp is a must-have for any adventurer. It'll keep your hands free while providing ample light during your nighttime activities. And of course, never head out without a comprehensive first aid kit. You never know when you'll need it. Lastly, don't forget to pack some entertainment for those relaxing evenings around the campfire. A deck of cards, a good book, or a portable speaker for some tunes will add that extra touch of enjoyment to your camping experience. And there you have it. The ultimate camping gear guide for adventurers. Now go out and explore the great outdoors armed with these must-have essentials. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting outdoor adventures.